you gonna show to us today?
It's a book, a notebook.
It's a notebook about what?
For school.
For school? Can you show us? What do you call it?
Journal.
A journal. A journal of what?
A journal of a book.
A journal of a book that you have learned and still
Study.
Yeah. So it's like a review journal.
Book.
Yeah. So
I'll
can
show
you
you
show us?
around.
Okay, can you show us? Oh.
That's my name and that's my book.
It's a journal notebook.
This is my favorite place to live. That is my place.
That's your country, yeah. What's your country?
Philippines! I can't wait to go there.
You're
after
already
this.
in the Philippines.
What Philippines?
You're here in the Philippines.
What Philippines?
It's a country.
It's a country. I'm not already here. This is a new place.
No, you're in the country, Philippines. Okay, next.
It's easy.
Yeah. So you will learn how to
Right.
write it, okay? So next. So you're just gonna run through of
And then I
every
got here.
pages. Yeah.
So
So you're just gonna run through us.
one,
Yeah.
trust.
Give us a journey of your notebook.
Notebook. After I read this, I will tell you a joke, everyone.
Okay. After you give us a
The
look.
ground.
Okay, yeah. Then next page. What's inside? Yes,
That one. Numbers, 2 ones.
and then Tagalog words. And then
Colors.
colors.
My favorite is blue because it is a lovely color.
Yeah, so it's English and Tagalog. What else? Different. Yeah, and the color. Color.
Yellow.
Yeah, the color will. So you will
Wait.
know.
Little green and here. Little here. Little orange. Here orange. Red orange.
So you will learn how to combine
Oh,
colors.
this. My blue is my favorite color. Mommy, I want to do this one.
Yeah, we're gonna do
The
it soon.
spinning wheel.
Yeah, color will.
Mommy, look. With
that?
all of Mommy, we can make a spinning wheel with all of these colors we
Yeah.
did. Is
Next.
that a great idea, everyone?
This is a great idea. Lovely. I love it.
And it's a color sensei.
Colors and
There's a
shapes.
blue one. Wait, this blue is supposed to be in the pink heart. Not the, look at this one.
It's the shapes and English Tagalog
This
shapes.
one looks like the Tower of Pisa.
Tower of Pisa.
It's that here and then
Yeah, slant.
and then
Next
that
page.
and that never falls.
Yeah. We're gonna learn next time why it never falls.
And that's look at me. What?
Yeah. Another
That
shape.
is
And
you.
then, yeah, what's this? It's the multiplication table.
Magic butt.
It's a magic table chart. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And then this one is the parts of the
Plants.
plants and the
All of them.
and then the excuse me. Okay.
And then what?
And then that is the
the things I like
base
billion because I love you, mommy.
You love billion. You love me 1 billion times.
Yeah.
I love you 2 billion times. So that's the
With-
place value.
With 8, 9, 1, 3,
Oh, what's else next?
1.
It's lots
Eight.
number.
It's
Billion.
a million.
This is the place value. What's else inside? What's that? It's a Roman numeral.
I know the place value of A-E-I-O-U.
That's vowels.
Vowel, I know vowels.
And then those English.
And that one is 1. That one is a lot. And that one is 4. That one is 4.
And these are the parts of sentences.
Wow. And also this one.
Yeah.
This is
also
my
the-
favorite.
Those, yeah, word.
This one lost his color.
Yeah, and the lost
This is
sentence
the gold.
formation.
The gold
Yeah.
that he loved.
There.
And then that.
And that's the end of your notebook journal review
end.
book.
Can you show
So
me
we can add more, right?
Now I will tell you a
Wait.
joke.
Oh, you wait. So why there's a missing blank page? Why there are blank pages?
Because you
Because
haven't.
we will gonna put, what are we gonna put there? The things that you are still studying and the
And
things that you want to
Lord.
learn. So what's your joke?
There are good and bad with is good for your tummy.
Which?
No.
What?
It's